What happens when you let AI build an entire YouTube channel for you? No recording, no filming, no manual editing, just smart systems doing all the heavy lifting. Today, I'm breaking down exactly what happened when I built a full YouTube channel using only AI automation. You'll learn the exact workflow, the real analytics, what completely failed, and the one video that quietly pulled in over 1,200 views with zero human labor. We had one video that quietly pulled in over 1,200 views with zero human labor involved. Before we dive in, if you want to start your own AI-powered income stream, make sure you download the AI Money Starter Kit using the link below. Let's start with the strict rules of the experiment and the technology stack used. I set strict rules: no camera, no microphone, and no manual editing. The goal was to see what would happen if I did 90% of the work. Here was my setup: ChatGPT for script writing, ElevenLabs for voiceover, Pictory for video assembly, Canva AI for thumbnails, and TubeBuddy for keywords. Now let's walk through the exact workflow for creating every single video. First, ChatGPT generated the script, keeping the tone consistent. Next, that script went straight into ElevenLabs for a calm, neutral voiceover, costing just a few cents per video. I then dropped the audio into Pictory, which automatically added visuals, transitions, and B-roll. ChatGPT handled all metadata, and I used one consistent Canva template for thumbnails, only changing the headline. The total human time spent per video? Only 8 to 10 minutes, thanks to this full automation stack. So how did the channel perform after all this automation? I published 14 AI-generated videos in 21 days. The first few videos barely moved, with only 5 to 30 views each, but this was expected. Then, video number 7 ranked for a low-competition keyword and passed 1,200 views all on its own, showing that the system could get real traction. By the end of the test, we had a total of 4,800 views and gained 62 new subscribers. This is real traction for zero human editing. Now, let's be honest, not everything was perfect. Here are the key lessons learned and what completely failed. Some videos looked a little too stock footage heavy, and a few titles needed more human instinct than pure automation. But I removed almost all the friction of starting the channel. The biggest takeaways: topic selection is everything. Consistency beats perfection, and templates save your life. AI doesn't remove iteration, it just makes it faster. So what's the verdict on building a YouTube channel with AI? Absolutely, AI can build a YouTube channel, and it can help you build one faster, with less stress, and with a workflow you can scale without burning out. If you're ready to build your own AI-powered channel or side hustle, grab the AI Money Starter Kit using the link below, and make sure to subscribe for more AI income tutorials.